Andrew Jackson's pet parrot was kicked out of his funeral for cursing up a storm. Imagine the scene: mourners gathered solemnly to pay their respects, only to be interrupted by the feathered culprit unleashing a torrent of obscenities learned directly from the former president himself. Jackson, known for his fiery temper and unfiltered language, unwittingly passed on more than just political legacies to his beloved parrot, Pole. The bird's outburst was so disruptive that it had to be removed from the service, leaving attendees in shocked silence, or perhaps stifled laughter. This quirky anecdote highlights the unexpected ways in which personal quirks and habits can leave a mark, even beyond the grave, and serves as a reminder of Jackson's larger-than-life persona, where even his pets couldn't escape his influence.